Why do 70% of stay-at-home moms struggle to find financial independence? Hi, I'm your digital mentor, here to help you create passive income online. Especially for stay-at-home moms, the Legacy Builder and Academy 6DM programs are game changers. Imagine earning money while spending quality time with your family. Our proven blueprints offer step-by-step guidance, expert support, and tested strategies. You'll learn to write ebooks, design print-on-demand products, and even dive into affiliate marketing. But it's more than just money. It's about reclaiming your time and achieving personal fulfillment. Picture contributing to your family's future without missing those precious moments. With personalized mentorship and a supportive community, your success is our mission. Ready to transform your life? Click the link below to enroll in the Legacy Builder or Academy 6DM programs today. Don't miss out. Take this step towards financial independence now and enjoy the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Join us and start building your legacy today.